the next big band will come to stay. Because the group 6 is absent today, so travel in Taiwan will be next week.
Hello everyone, we are the next big band. Why we choose the next big band as our name of team? Because we use the TV series in American as the Big Bang Theory as our material of this program. Why we use the Big Bang Theory as our material? Because the time of one episode is shorter than others, and the loading suitable for us. And the story is about four nerds and a beauty. Why we join this program? We saw the poster which was stuck on the way to our class, and we are curious about it, so we look it closer to see the detail. Before that, we are looking for a way to learn English easily and happily. So we discuss of it, and we decide to join of this program. And now I want to introduce my teammate Zoe. Zoe is the first year student in master's program of industrial economics. And I am also a first year student in master program of industrial economics too. And my name is Lillian. Next, I want to introduce our plan of weekly report. This is the context of our weekly report. We look up the dictionary to find the definition of vocabulary and make sentence by ourselves. And we write the abstracts down, and in the end, we summarize what we feel and what we learn and write it down on a reflection. Like this and this.
Okay, and now let me introduce how we learned in the past few weeks. The first part you can see is the first day we will watch the TV series, the Big Bang Theory. And second, we will read the script and look up the words we don't know. And the third steps is we will discuss in the meeting, and how we discuss includes about the play and the role characteristics and what we feel. And the fourth, we will write the abstracts of every episode, and we will pick some words we learned in every episode and make sentences, and in the end we will write the reflection as you heard before, and finally make a weekly report. And now we will tell you what the difficulties we met, and we also try to solve them. The first is, as a graduate school student, we need to read a lot of textbooks and to prepare our midterm exam. And second, we also need to read a lot of English papers. And third, and the words we have to look up in every episode is too much. And because of these three reasons, we don't have much time to finish our program. So what we needed to do is to reduce the loading to adjust to our pace. And now we want to share what we have learned in the past few weeks. As you see, the first thing is vocabulary, and as you heard before, we knew a lot of phrases and real life English expressions, which is different from we learned in the textbooks and English papers. And you know, in in the papers and textbooks is very academic and it is not real life. And so when we were living and we want to talk to our friends, people, we sometimes we don't know how we use these real life words. So I think watch the TV series is good for us to know the real life English expressions. And the second thing is writing. And we in the reflection we will write the abstracts and sentences and reflections. So doing this will help us to learn the writing ability. For example, like the writing organization, verb tense, and it will helpful for us to easy to get the main points of the TV series. And the third thing is culture in Taiwan, which is different from in the USA. For example, let me say the geek and nerdy. In Taiwan, the geek and nerdy also means the boy who isn't good at dress and social with other people, and he's very like Japanese comic books. But in USA, as we see in the TV series, nerdy means the boy who is very smart and he's very like science fiction and comic books and computer games. And the most important thing is that this program will make us keep learning. And this is our presentation. Thanks for your listening.